Marco Reus and Jadon Sancho, two of the fastest players in the Bundesliga in one of the fastest cars in the world. It's Dortmund meets Nascar. On Dortmund's World Tour, two Borussia stars make a pit stop at the Charlotte Motor Speedway. Marco Reus and Jadon Sancho, two speedsters looking for the next adrenaline rush. But what they don't know yet is that a monster awaits them. A 5.9-litre V8 engine, 700 horsepower, and a top speed of around 300 kilometers an hour. A beast that can devour any opponent. Marco and Jadon are unfazed though, and can't wait to take it for a spin in Charlotte. For now at least. After all, the beast is hungry. Before the two wingers dare to enter the beast though, they'll be needing a fitting outfit, because what would a superhero be without their costume? A quick pick before the most difficult test of their still young racing careers begins. It's a test against a seemingly superior opponent. Man against machine. Dortmund superstars are about to find out just how deep the rabbit hole goes. It's not exactly the biggest of openings though, and it's a tight squeeze to get into position. Now it's time to buckle up. Just 10 centimeters separate Marco and Jadon from the blistering asphalt. After this, there is no turning back.
All right, ready to go? Yes.
A race against time inside the belly of a roaring beast. And for Reus, a battle against centrifugal force and his own stomach. But he makes it through. Courage, valour and fortitude have seen him come out on top in his battle with the beast and himself. Marco Reus and Jadon Sancho, Dortmund's wing wizards on the fast lane in the USA. Would you dare to ride in the beast? And which other Bundesliga players do you think will be funny to watch in a NASCAR race? Be sure to let us know in the comments.
Hello? Are you still there?
Hello!
Watch the best of the Bundesliga.
Subscribe now. Subscribe here.